Demystifying how schools use your GMAT and GRE scores. Hello dear viewers. Today, we are diving into the world of GMAT and GRE score reports. Specifically, we'll be discussing how educational institutions use your scores. Understanding this process can help ease some of the anxiety around sending out those scores and empower you to make informed decisions. When you send your GMAT or GRE scores to schools, these scores become a part of your larger application profile. Schools use them to 1. Evaluate academic potential. Scores are seen as indicators of how well you might handle the rigor of their academic programs. 2. Compare applicants. With applicants from varied backgrounds, standardized scores provide a uniform metric for comparison. 3. Class profile building. Some schools aim to maintain or raise their average test scores for the incoming class, which can influence their admissions decisions. While GMAT and GRE scores are crucial, schools look at the holistic picture of an applicant. This includes 1. Letters of recommendation, testifying to your skills, work ethic, and suitability for the program. 2. Personal essays or statements, providing insights into your motivations, goals, and personality. 3. Work experience, especially important for programs like MBA, where relevant work can significantly boost an application. 4. Extracurriculars and leadership, highlighting your multifaceted abilities. So, while a good score can enhance your application, other components can significantly balance out a less than ideal score. When sending scores. 1. Research your schools. Look at the average scores of previously admitted students. If your score is around or above the average, that's a positive sign. 2. Use score select options. Both GMAT and GRE offer options to send only your best scores. This can be beneficial if you've taken the test multiple times. 3. Consider retaking. If you believe you can significantly improve, consider retaking the test. However, balance this against application deadlines and other commitments. And there we have it. Your GMAT and GRE scores play an essential role in your application, but remember, they're just one piece of the puzzle. Schools aim to understand you holistically. We hope this video has shed some light on how your scores are utilized and wish you all the best in your application journey. Keep learning and stay curious.